back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is a comparison video between 3 BB creams, that is Pond's BB cream, Fair and Lovely BB cream and Garnier BB cream. So as we all know, BB cream is basically a combination of moisturizer, a sunscreen and a foundation. I'm going to compare them on the basis of their coverage, the SPF and the moisturization. So I'm also going to give you guys a swatch on my face, like half of my face, so that you can actually compare that what the coverage actually looks like. So without any further ado, let's just quickly get started with it. The first BB cream that I have applied is this Garnier BB cream. It comes in the packaging like this. I have bought it recently. It has SPF of 24. It gives you a very pretty dewy look, which will actually looks like you have a healthy glow naturally. So third thing it says is zero imperfections. So basically it means that it will just cover all your face and your face will left with no imperfections. I don't think so. It gives me like no coverage, zero to no coverage. It has basically, this BB cream for me is like a moisturizer mixed with some SPF. It will give you no coverage whatsoever. It will give you a healthy glow as a moisturizer do. Plus it just has SPF 24. So I think that this BB cream is not what I'm looking for, because I am a full coverage kind of a girl. I really like full coverage things. Have like very plain canvas to work with. If you have like no imperfections whatsoever on your face, I think that you can buy this one.
Take what you want from me, I'll give you everything, all that and more you'll see. Just stay right here with me. Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about a king and a queen will pretend to be with favorite.
So the second BB cream is I have applied Fair and Lovely BB cream. I don't really go with the brand's name, but anyway, if we talk about the product itself, I must say, if we talk about its moisturization, I don't think it will give you any sort of moisturization. It is a matte BB cream, so I think it's perfect for summers, because in summer you don't really need that much moisturization. It does give you a little moisturization. It's not like it doesn't give you any dry patches. It will give you an appropriate amount of moisturization that you need in summers. If we talk about the moisturization, it is a great BB cream. Second thing is SPF. SPF is not mentioned on the packaging of this BB cream. I have checked it, and so we can't really comment on the SPF part. Now the third thing will be the coverage. Coverage is, oh my god, hands down amazing coverage. It just gives me very beautiful coverage. On the clip, like I applied it on half of my face, and you can totally see the difference between both of my faces. Like half of my face, my dark circles are nicely covered, my acne spots are nicely covered. On the chin I have some acne spots, they are nicely covered, and it does give me a very flawless look. So I absolutely like the fact that this Fair and Lovely BB cream does really works for me. Plus it only comes in the one shade, which is a bummer, because it might make your face a little grey if you have darker skin tone. So as the name of the brand suggests, Fair and Lovely, they just concentrate on fairer complexion people and just neglect the darker skin tone people. I don't know why. So the final BB cream will be the Pond's BB cream. So this BB cream has a very definite yellow undertones, which will actually suit every skin tone. Then people have naturally yellow undertones, so this will actually suit them because it has a very pretty yellow undertones to it. Let's just quickly talk about it. First thing is moisturization. It is somewhere in between. It is extreme. It is nice and matte. It gives you very little amount of hydration, and it is way too hydrating. It gives you a very minimum and appropriate amount of hydration to your face. It doesn't make your face extremely matte or extremely oily, which is what I love about this BB cream. SPF wise, it has 30 SPF PA++. So I think it is a win-win if we compare to the SPF of this one. It has only 24 and it has 30 SPF. Plus, if we talk about the coverage, oh my god, this is the best BB cream I have ever used when it comes to my under eye circles, because it has a very definite yellow undertones. As I said earlier, it just cancels out all the darkness around my eye area. The only thing is that it is a little yellow for my skin tone. I might have to add something on the top of it to make it look like my skin tone. Give you a swatch of each of the BB cream side by side. So this is the Pond's BB cream, and as you can see, it is nice and thick texture. This is the Fair and Lovely BB cream, and it is also, the texture of these two are almost the similar. These both are nice and thick, and as you can already tell that this is a little darker and the Fair and Lovely one is of course very light. So the Garnier BB cream is actually quite runny and thin in texture. So you can already tell that it doesn't give me any coverage just because of that it is extremely thin. You can actually compare the texture of these three BB creams. This is the Pond's BB cream, the second one is the Fair and Lovely one, and this is the Garnier BB cream. The Fair and Lovely BB cream suits my skin tone very well, but I think this one is something which will actually suit every skin tone out there. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you all like this video, and if you guys want me to review some high-end BB creams, I would love to do that for you guys. I just need some bahana to buy more makeup. Comment down below whatever you want to see next, and I hope you all like this video, and if you didn't, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Plus don't forget to check out my second channel. I'll just leave the link right here. Just click on my picture and subscribe to my channel, and please subscribe to my both the channels, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.